What's up guys, it's Marissa with Krietz Customs, and we just got done a massive F-450 build that you don't want to miss. Some color matching, also with the build entailed all in all together. Hot build, and you guys are gonna wanna do it to your dually or even buy this one right here because I wanna take this one home, but my husband probably won't let me. Starting off with the color matching, like I said, it's a 2022 Ford F-450. We're gonna start off with the color matching options on the front here. Let me get my F-450 all lined up for you guys to see. My favorite part about the F-450 is the grille and the grille inlay. So you guys can see here on the more so exterior items of the grille, it is going to be glossed out. We took the chrome off completely on this F-450. The only chrome that's on here is going to be inside the headlights here. But with the grille, you guys can see, like I said, it's got the gloss black on the exterior. Now the inlays on here are also color matched. It does have the body color on the inlays. It looks super clean. I love the way they break this grille up, take the chrome out completely. The emblem here on the front, the blue is taken out as well as the chrome. So the outside is going to be the body color, and then you have your gloss black on the outside as well as the Ford etching in the middle. Coming down to your front bumper, we do have the body color on the bumper as well as your inlay here where the tow hooks are. That is gloss black, just kind of break up those two colors. And then the plastic valance on the bottom is also color matched. Switch it around to the side here. We're gonna go over some of the emblems. You guys can see the limited, the F-450. You guys can see that the Power Stroke, the 6.7 liter badge is also blacked out. We did break up the black here and add the body color to the Ford F-450 on the side. The mirror caps are also color matched. You guys can see the top portion is that gloss black, and then we went ahead and did the body color on the whole assembly. And then down here on the bottom where your camera is, it is that gloss black finish as well. Speed spinner. Now on the sides here, I like the way that this is broken up. My favorite part, other than the grille, is gonna be your windowsills. So the windowsills don't get painted. The windowsills actually get wrapped in a black vinyl, so that way it does delete the chrome out completely. The door handles were also blacked out, so that way we did break up that body color with the white. And then we're gonna move around here towards the back half of the vehicle. I feel like I'm on the chocolate ride at Hershey Park right now. You know how the thing spins? All right, coming to the back half. I love how clean this back half looks. The center trim piece here was taken out and then got rid of the chrome. And then we actually hand painted the Super Duty down here on the black and re-added the black letters into the inlay of that trim piece. What's super cool about the tail lights here, this piece is also a part that's customizable. You can take this off. We went ahead and did the body color, so this looks like it is one straight piece all the way across. The tailgate handle here, we did add the gloss black so we could break up that color body, or the body color. And then your complete step pad on top of your rear bumper was also color matched to the body. So there's multiple different options that you can add to the F-450s on the tailgate. Some other options that you can add that we did not do on this F-450, you guys can see down here the tailpipes are. You can either replace them or you can actually use kind of more of a higher heat protectant paint or a heat rejection paint that you can put on there to block it out. But all in all, that's essentially what we did to the color matching of the F-450. I think it's a super clean look. I love the way the dualies look. Dually builds are my absolute favorite. The color matching obviously just sets this F-450 off completely. And I know you guys are gonna love this the way that I love this. One day I'll have a dually, okay? I promise that. One day I'll have a dually just like this. Now coming down to the pieces that you guys are probably gonna do to your dualies, and the color matching is just an added accessory, but the main portion of the build is going to be the suspension kit, wheels, and tires. So the suspension kit is the 3-inch Stryker kit that they offer for the heavy duty vehicles. It's gonna be the spacer in the front, as well as the Fox shocks all the way around on the front and the rear. Now with your Stryker kits, you do have an option to add those radius arms. On this F-450, we actually did that option. Your radius arms are going to help with strength as well as ground clearance. Now they're also stylish. A lot of people add these to the vehicles, you know, for looks specifically. As you guys can see, it adds a little pop underneath of the vehicle, especially our show truck builds. They're extremely popular to powder coat, making the suspension powder coated to kind of match everything. But it also definitely helps with the caster on your alignment, just to make sure that that F-450, when you do lift those heavy duty vehicles, it stays aligned. And it also helps making sure that the alignment is going to be 100% all the time. So it's definitely an added upgrade that I would suggest doing if you're looking to add some suspension to your heavy duty vehicles if you're going 3 inches or higher. So make sure you guys also keep that in mind too. And then your bigger wheel and tire package. I absolutely love these wheels from American Force. I love dually applications. This is going to be a 26 by 8 1/4 front. And this is the American Force Deranged. So this has that directional look. It is that gloss black and machined finish. So you guys can see it's got the American Force etching around the outside lip as well as the American Force logo. You guys can see the dually applications in the front with your bigger lug nut application as well. And then your tire is going to be the Fury Country Hunter MT. And this is going to be a 37, 13, 50, 26. So you guys can definitely see the 1350 on an 8 1/4 width wheel. You guys can see that bubble. So it's going to protect some of that lip here, and it's definitely going to protect that rear tire as well. If you're a curb finder in the rear on the dualies, we see that a lot. It's definitely going to protect more so your wheel than anything else. So with your bigger setup like this and on the 3-inch suspension, there is some trimming involved on this vehicle. So if you guys can see on the front half here, this tire is super close to the front bumper as well as the plastic valance. Those dudes have to get trimmed at an angle so that way you're not rubbing at full turns, full locks, or even in reverse. So that's extremely important when you're building your vehicle, that you guys kind of keep in mind the size of your wheel and also the size of the suspension, what's going to be the best fit for you guys, whether you want to trim the vehicle or if you don't want to trim at all. So make sure you guys get with one of our aftermarket specialists and go over some different options for what you're looking for specifically. So that pretty much wraps up this F-450 build. I love the dualies. I've said this multiple times. I hope you guys love this as much as I do. I think our Krietz team absolutely hit the nail on the head with this setup. The suspension, wheels, tires are all perfect. Same with the color matching options. You have to hand it to our team. They know how to build trucks. If you guys love this build, make sure you subscribe to us as well as comment below. Let us know what you guys want to see more of. Make sure you check out all of our social media pages at Krietz Customs and Krietz Auto on Facebook, TikTok, as well as Instagram. If you want to give us a call, it's 301-694-4642. Talk to one of our aftermarket reps to get your setup.